Are there any weapons in the home or anything like that?
Yeah, my husband has
They're
concealed and
locked up?
carry.
Yeah, they're locked up though.
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
And he's not here.
No.
Okay.
Can I at least call someone to get my kids though from school? Like, this is delaying the process if I can't call them and at least say that.
When do they get off school?
My kid gets out of school at 12.
Okay. We got a little bit of time for that, but I will let you make phone calls for that. Okay. It's 9:30.
But if he's out on a truck run, why can't I call him and just tell him get back here now? I don't have anyone in DeKalb else to pick up my kid.
Okay. We'll let you make that call. Okay. Just not at this moment. Okay. We got to make sure house is safe, everyone's safe, and then we'll start having conversation. Okay?
Am I under arrest or something?
At the moment, no.
I'm not understanding why I can't call my husband just to tell him to head back this way then.
Nope. I understand you don't have a phone on you right now, so you can't call your husband.
I do have another phone I can use though.
Well, that's also part of the search.
My tablet's part of it too?
Mm-hmm.
We're almost about 15 seconds. We'll be done.
All right, clear.
We checked that, right, bud?
All right. Yep.
All right. We're coming up.
All right. All open up here.
Nancy does in the straight. Stairs to the left.
Hey, Lickle, she says he's out on a run right now, so no one should be home.
I swear no one is here but me and my dogs.
That's okay. They got it checked out. I appreciate you.
I
do.
swear.
I know. Good to clear the channel?
Sorry?
Are you good for me to clear the channel?
Yes.
Okay, stand 7. We're secure. You can clear fireplace.
Why do they want my text messages?
For the offense that's listed in the warrant.
You said the offense? Can you